Hey everybody, Jack Rabbit here. Today we're going to be working on this Zarker J45. This is a green belt disc detainer lock. This is one I picked up a long time ago, thinking I would get into disc detainers, and I never did, but no time like the present. So let's mount this up, and we'll try to give this a pick. So I believe this one is a lock that tensions off the rear disc. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the tensioner portion of my tool and slide it all the way to the back. And I'm going to try to grab that rear disc. So it's all the way back, but now I got to pull it out a little bit to try to catch that rear disc. Okay. All right, I don't know why I'm struggling so hard to grab that rear disc. There we go. Nope, and I lost it. Okay, there we go. We got the rear disc. We're going to start up at disc 1 here. Okay, disc 1 clicked into place. Nice solid click out of that one. Disc 2 is binding. I think disc 2, let me go back here. I think disc 2 was already set. I just overturned it. So we're on to disc 3. I can find my way in there. There we go. I lost tension. There we go. All right, I think we got it open. So nice easy lock. Because it's rear tension, I think my lock pick is stuck in there. But yeah, that was the Zarker J45 picked. And unfortunately, this one is not guttable. But so if you enjoyed the video, make sure you like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.